Hi everyone, my name is Trey with Peace and Make, and today I have a video of I'm going to be doing a fabric haul. So I know that that's a lot of people's favorite type of video, and since I keep buying fabric despite the fact that I have not sewn up all of the other fabric that I have, I'm going to go over my recent finds with you. Alright, okay, so I went to two stores, Joann Fabrics, and then I also went to a shop called it's called C Stitches, and so I'm going to go over what I got from those two places. The first place that I'll talk about is Joann Fabrics. So I made a actually I'll show you the fabric first. So I got this plaid fabric from Joann Fabrics, and the reason that I'm excited about this is because I made another video about fall inspo, and in that video I showed a dress with this same material and very similar plaid pattern, and I ended up walking by in Joann Fabrics. When I made the fall video, I was like, oh, this looks like something that would be at Joann Fabrics. So I was looking for some other fabric at Joann's, and I walked past this and it was on clearance. So of course I bought it. I bought because I want to make that plaid dress that I saw. And if you go back and look at the fall inspo video, you'll be able to see the dress. I'm going to do another video about just random ideas I have on projects in my head, so I'll show a video of it at that point. But if before I edit that video and film it, if you want to go back and look at my fall inspo video, I'll link it in the cards up here. You can look at it and see what dress I want to make. But these two patterns are patterns that I'm going to see which one I want to do to make the dress that I want. This is the rest of the fabric, so it wasn't continuous. I think I got like 5 yards of it. I don't know. I can't remember anymore, but I think it is like 5 yards because I may have to do some pattern matching. The next fabric that I got for a project, I've been making a ton of baby blankets this year and it is not stopping. So the next baby blankets that I want to make is for a friend, having a little girl. So this will be the top fabric. This will be the bottom fabric. Oh yeah, sorry. This is a fleece fabric. Cotton fleece. But this is a polyester fleece, and then this will be the bottom part of the blanket. It is a polyester fleece as well, but it's really good because kiddos are really hard on fabrics because they are always like spitting up and using the bathroom and eating, and it just gets all over the place because they're not coordinated. So these polyesters are good because you can just put them in the washing machine so many times and it'll be fine. And then this is going to be my border fabric. Look at all those little squiggles. I just really like to get fabrics that pop. And I think that that pops like a lot. That royal blue. So that's what I got from Joann Fabrics. When I went, I was not supposed to, what was I there? I went there to buy gray thread and then ended up finding like a whole bunch of fabric. This is why I have to monitor when I go to Joann's, because if I see something and I already have projects in mind, then I'm going to buy it. So yeah, but these were some really fun finds. Okay, so the next place I went to is called C Stitches. Basically this is a fabric shop that I found when I go out of town to go to the beach, and I love this place. It is a hidden gem, and I wasn't able to go last time I went to the beach, but I was able to go this year. So Backstory. I have a friend at Tote Fabrics. She made this embroidery. And depending on how this look, I may do like a separate video and show B-roll of this. But she made this super pretty paisley embroidery. And I was talking to her and she pulled this off of the machine. And I was like, I had this visceral reaction. I was just like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I love the colors. I like the pattern, and the embroidery is just so sharp. Like, oh my gosh. I still have the, I have to cut the stabilizer off of it. But once I start the project, then I'll do that and I'll iron it. But what I want to do with this, she mentioned that she does tote bags out of these patterns, or like these samples that she does, because she does sewing classes for the embroidery machines with Harvaska Biking. I think that's how you say the word. I don't know. But yeah, so with that, she was gonna make a tote bag. She was like, oh, you could just have it. I was like, what? Are you kidding me? So I have it, and it was a very nice gift. And so when I went to the store, C Stitches, I bought fabric so that I can make a tote bag. So basically what I want to do is probably do like a border of muslin fabric around this on the front side of the tote bag. And then I'll probably make the handle either out of faux suede or a muslin, a thicker muslin canvas type fabric for the handle. And then on the back of the tote, I got these cotton fabrics. This one, this one, this one for fat quarters. And basically what I want to do, this is not as wide as it's going to be. It's going to be bigger than this. But I'm going to line up all three of these patterns on the back side of the tote bag. And so one side of the tote bag will be this. The other side will be these three fabrics just sewn together. I'll probably put like a padding or a stabilizer up under it to thicken these cotton fabrics. But yeah, look at those. I thought that these colors look so nice. Like they're like the same color family. And so I'm going to make a tote bag, and it's going to be super cute and fancy. Ooh, all this fabric is like, the little fibers are getting in my nose. The next thing I did was I bought some more cotton fabric, and I made a shirt. I recently made a shirt. I'm going to post a video at some point of the shirt. It's a white shirt, but before that I made a oh gosh, I'm going to put the name of the company down here. The fabric, not the fabric, but it's like a ready-to-wear brand. I really like their patterns that they have. And so I found a fabric at Hobby Lobby and made a shirt out of it. I'll show you the picture of it. But basically I made two shirts out of the same pattern. And I just bought, the other thing that I bought from my second store is this fabric. I don't know if you can see it, and I'll probably have to do some B-roll. But it's just a whole bunch of coral reef. Like, I was at the beach and I felt festive, and I really like this color, like this deep orange. And I'm going to make probably a long sleeve version of this shirt. If I have enough, I have 2 yards. I want to do a long sleeve and a short sleeve. But if I don't have enough and I still feel inclined to make the second shirt, then I'll call her. I'll call the owner and then ask her to send me some more. I'll buy some more. She's not online, so I have to call and just be like, and like send a picture of it. But yeah, so those are the fabrics that I bought. We'll see when I get these projects done. This the baby blankets always take precedence because I want to get it to the person I'm making it for as soon as I can. But I got burned out from making baby blankets this summer. I made 4 baby blankets, and the last one I made was September, I think. And so all of October, I was like, no baby blankets. I cannot make any more baby blankets. So I took a break, and November is coming up, or whenever I post this, it'll probably be like in the middle of November. So by the time you see this video, I've probably sewn it or started sewing it, because I want to be done. Never mind, I'm not going to put a timeline on it. But I want to be done either by the end of the year or the first beginning of the year. Since I have other projects that I'm doing right now, I'm going to probably do it in between doing other projects. So that's why it'll take so long. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick fabric haul. I have not made one of these videos in a long time. I'm actually not buying fabric that often this year. I'm so proud of myself. The previous, probably between 2021 to 2023, I purchased a lot of fabric, and that's where I got my fabric stash, which I'm grateful for because I live in an area where fabric stores are just not that accessible. And so I bought stuff online, so whenever I have projects in mind, I just pull the fabrics down. Most cases I don't have to buy any more fabric. So yeah, these are just project for a friend. Another project that came up just because I wanted to make a tote bag from a pretty embroidery design, and then the other one, shirts. Like I need more shirts, so that I'm okay with buying that fabric. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this fabric haul. Also, I want to say hello again to all of my new subscribers. My video that is my summer lookbook, oh my gosh, it's one of my best, well, my most viewed videos, and I'm kind of surprised because my first lookbook didn't do as well, but I'm very excited, and I'm so grateful for you all being here to follow me as I just make stuff. As you can see, I don't just make garments. I do DIY projects. I make a lot of random stuff because I just have all these ideas in my brain. So I hope that you will enjoy that with me because I just love making stuff. If you like this video, please like at the bottom. Please comment. Which fabric was your favorite fabric? Did you have a big reaction to any of the fabrics that I showed you? I love watching people get fabric. It gives me ideas. It gets me inspired. Also, if you're new here, hi. Or if you are a returning visitor and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you're new, please subscribe. And if you're returning, please subscribe. My subscription number is climbing, and I'm so excited. I'm trying to get to a higher number by the end of the year. I wonder if I can get to like 500. We'll see. I hate to put a number out there, but in my brain, like if I could get to 500 subscribers, I would be so happy January 1st. So yeah, I'm going to be putting out videos to try to get closer to that number. And yeah, so if you like, share, subscribe, all of the things, I will see you next time. Bye. Hi everyone, my name is Teria with Peace Into